last thing, invest in an index universal life insurance policy. So why do I believe in this? Well, of course, I am licensed, so I can help you. And I think it's very important that you work with someone that actually knows what they're talking about. The problem with the life insurance industry is there's so many people out there that have no idea how to structure these policies. So you got to be very careful. So if you're thinking about getting an index universal life policy, you want to make sure that I would say you meet with me, because I have this for myself, my wife, and my 2 kids, and I've helped multiple members already here in the Patreon get set up with their life insurance policy and walk them through exactly how they're going to use this for the next 10 years to also invest in crypto to increase your overall net worth using alternative loans. Okay. But the other reason you need life insurance is because life insurance is the foundation for building wealth. I don't care if you're single, if you don't have kids, every single person needs life insurance. And I'm going to tell you why. Let's say you have a 401k right here. You have an IRA. Let's say you have your crypto. And let's say you got your bank savings. And let's say you have no life insurance. Well, let's just say you have 401k, IRA, crypto, bank. If something happens to you guys, like if you get a heart attack, for example, or if you get diagnosed with cancer, or you have a stroke, or you get any critical or chronic illness, okay? If you get in a car accident and now you're in a wheelchair, that's a chronic illness. You need supervision. Someone needs to take care of you. If you don't have the right types of life insurance, now you have to liquidate your 401k. You got to liquidate your IRA. You're going to have to sell some crypto because you're going to have to pay for your lifestyle still while you're out of work. You have to pay for your medical bills. If you have kids, you're going to have to liquidate your investments to pay for your bills, guys. This is why life insurance is so important and why it's the foundation for building wealth. Because life insurance you can use while you're alive. It's not just for a death benefit. You see DB right here, death benefit. Yes, it pays out when we do pass away, which we're all guaranteed to die one day. It's the only thing that's going to pay out to your family 100%. Also, note tax free. But what happens if you get a heart attack or cancer and you get sick? Well, the life insurance that I love to help people with has something called a critical and chronic illness rider. So if I have $1 million death benefit and I get diagnosed with cancer for whatever reason, I can liquidate my death benefit as income, as a lump. I'll write it over here, lump sum. Okay. The company will allow me to take money out of my death benefit and I can use that to fund my lifestyle still while I'm in recovery, while I'm missing work, while I'm trying to help my family during this very difficult time. This is why I believe life insurance is the foundation. And I think everyone should have a policy on their lives. Even my 2 young kids have policies. And it's not because I'm using it. If something happened to them, I couldn't even imagine if something happened to them, but I'm using it for tax-free cash value for their future. So everyone's in a different situation. You might have a different idea of what you want your life insurance to do. I understand it. I've studied this stuff. I've been licensed for 8 years. And I also work with the top companies out there. I'm not captive. I'm not married to any one company. And I want to do best by you. So let me help you with this. Send me a message. We'll schedule a time to meet over Zoom. I'll give you a phone call and we'll put together the best plan for you and your family. And you'll understand your life insurance finally, because the other agent that's helped you has not educated you like I will. Have a great day, guys.